Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your phone contact number on your Instagram account. So I'm just going to tap on the Instagram account or app. Then you need to tap here right bottom corner on your screen. It's called profile. Simply tap on that, and again tap here the three line top right corner. Then tap here settings and privacy, and you can see account center. First option, tap here. Then scroll down a little bit. Then here you can see the option personal details. This one, simply tap on that. And again click here contact info. Add new contact. Simply tap here add new contact. And add mobile number. Then you have to give your mobile number like here. I'm just going to tap. And after that, if you tap here, adding this number will replace your current number. So if you add any number, then you can replace this number. You can add only one number on your account. So after that, next, and it will be changed. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.